So now I thought it'd be a good idea to modify this circuit here. So we got to get it dark enough. I have to turn this lamp off. The lowest setting's not dim enough to set the output high. And the reason why is because we have a photodiode right here. We get enough light, it resets the 555 timer, which sets the output low. And the 100K resistor is not fighting it very much. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap this 100K pull-up resistor right there for a 1000 ohm resistor. And we're going to get the other extreme. There we go. We got the red LED. I'm going to set the lamp to the brightest setting right there, and it's still not bright enough. I have a flashlight. I don't know if I'm going to have to use the side of it or not, but yeah, you can kind of see the blue LED light up. I'm going to have to use the side because that light turns on and off rapidly. And there you can, hopefully you can see that. Output goes low, but I need a really bright light. So 1000 ohm resistor makes it a lot harder to set the output low. So now we come back to this circuit again, and we showed the two extremes. This is one of them. I have to get it really dark to get the output high right there. And then we swapped that 100K for a 1K resistor. There you can see right there. And it made it so we had to put a flashlight on there to get a low input to pin 4 and reset the 555 timer. So that was with the 1K resistor. You know, 1% of the resistance that of the 100K. And then now we're going to take a 10K resistor, and I think that a 15K might work better. But yeah, we got I think the overhead lamp maybe kind of flickering a little bit, so it's like oscillating the two. And so there we go. I'm going to kind of turn it away from the lamp a little bit. You can see it's low, but if I go up in one setting, now we got kind of that flickering, and now we got a low input. So we got a little bit more of a middle ground region right here. So now we come back to this circuit, and I have to get it very dark because we're using a 100,000 ohm resistor to set the output high. Hopefully you can see that. So we have the photodiode there, enough light, gives a low input to pin 4, and it forces the output low, 555 timer. And we can adjust the sensitivity with the 100K resistor right there. I found 10K didn't really work too well. I kind of cheated to make it work in the last video. So I'm going to drop this down to 3K. So that's between the 10K and the 1K we had before. I actually tried a bunch of different values. But in case, now we have the lamp at the low setting, a high output, which we did not get with the 100K. Now I think the light's kind of flickering, or making it alternate between high and low. But there we go. I made the lamp a little bit brighter. Now we have a low output. So we got a middle ground region when it comes to this lamp.